Hey everyone, welcome back to Buy or Buy. Today we are sealing the deal literally. We are putting the Nesco VS12 Deluxe Vacuum Sealer up against the FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 system. To see which one really keeps your food fresh, your freezer organized and your budget intact. Let's find out which vacuum sealer deserves a spot on your counter. Design and ease of use. The Nesco VS20 looks sleek and compact, built with the solid stainless design, and handy roll storage with the built-in cutter. You can choose from multiple sealing modes, including a gentle option and even a double seal for extra strength. The FoodSaver V4400 meanwhile takes convenience to the next level. It's got automatic bag detection, a retractable hose for sealing containers, and smart sensors that handle the sealing for you. No button mashing required. So if you love simplicity and automation, FoodSaver wins for ease of use. But Nesco's manual controls give you precision when you need it, performance and power. When it comes to power, the Nesco VS12 packs a punch with its 130-watt double vacuum pump, delivering strong suction up to 25 inches of HG, perfect for bulk sealing dry or moist foods. The FoodSaver V4400, however, shines in versatility. It can seal both bags and containers thanks to its 2-in-1 hose system. Plus, its automatic sealing feature is great for everyday use, especially if you are sealing leftovers or prepping sous vide meals. In real-world tests, both can handle over 30 bags in a row without losing suction, so durability isn't an issue here. Features and efficiency. The Nesco gives you manual pulse control and a double seal strip for heavy-duty storage, great for meats, bulk grains or freezer items. The FoodSaver adds smart moisture detection and an easy clean trip tray, making it better suited for wet foods and marinades. Both have built-in roll storage and cutters, but FoodSaver's automation gives it a small edge in everyday convenience. Price and verdict. The Nesco VS12 Deluxe usually lands around $120 to $140 USD, while the FoodSaver V4400 sits closer to $180 to $220 USD, depending on the sales. So here is the breakdown. If you want strong suction, manual control and budget value, go Nesco VS12. If you prefer automation, versatility and premium features, go FoodSaver V4400. Outro. So, which one would you buy? The powerhouse Nesco or the smart FoodSaver? Drop your vote in the comments. Links to both models are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that bell for more kitchen tech face-offs right here on Buy or Buy.